everyone, you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and this is a class recording session. You can see with me, these students are sitting. And now guys, are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I may ask you anything, it's up to me. I may ask you question based on practice session, Hindi to English. And I may ask you question in English and you have to reply in English. And even मैं आपसे active to passive और passive to active के status भी दे सकता हूँ. It's up to me. Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. What's your name?
Sandeep Mandloi.
Sandeep Mandloi. And let me tell you audience, Sandeep is from Devas, and Devas is actually 200 kilometers far from Khandwa, and he just came from Devas to learn English here. So Sandeep, first tell me, why are you learning English? What made you came here? What made you to come here, and why do you think that English is very much important and I should go to Persona Institute, I should learn English from there?
Okay.
Yes.
As we all know, English is a very important language.
Okay.
And is helping our career.
Okay.
So I want to express myself and I want to grow in my career.
Okay.
That's why I'm learning English.
That's why you are learning English.
Yeah.
Okay. And why only from Persona Institute?
Because I believe in Persona and I trust in Persona Institute.
That is why.
There.
So could you improve yourself after coming here?
Yeah, I have completed 22 days in Persona, and
Yeah.
I lots of improvement in my
Okay. Are you from Hindi medium or English medium?
I am from Hindi medium.
You are from Hindi medium.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. And just tell me something about what are you doing right these days in your studies, in your work?
Apart from studies, I also doing my office work.
Okay.
And I am a UI UX designer.
Okay.
Yeah. So
That's
I
good.
work in a startup company.
Okay. Actually, that's very good. Now tell me, what sort of work you said you are web designer, right?
Yeah, I am web designer and graphic designer.
Web designer and graphic designer.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you suggest me a computer? I'm going to buy a computer for editing.
Okay.
Right now I've got the
For configuration-
laptop, and it has a 2 GB graphic card inside of it, and the editing is working well, but I want a good system for this.
Okay.
So can you suggest me?
Yeah, sure. If you do graphics related work, so you need a 4 to 8 GB RAM
Okay.
in your system, and also need a graphics card,
Okay.
4 GB, and also need a SSD card for hard disk related.
Right.
So if you carry this,
We'll discuss about it.
Yeah.
Suggest me after the class that what should I purchase for this. Okay, just tell me something about your hobbies.
my hobbies are surfing internet and operating computer systems.
Okay, that's good.
So I like operate computer system, and I like designing.
You like designing.
Yeah.
Actually, that's very good. Yeah, nice to talk with you, brother. A good clapping for him. Kamlesh. Kamlesh, tell me from where you are.
Sir, I'm from Ali Rajpur.
Ali Rajpur. So
Yes.
from Ali Rajpur you came here.
Yes, sir.
Why did you come here?
Sir, because I'm learning English.
Okay.
I'm learning English. That's why I'm come here.
Okay, so how far is Ali Rajpur from here?
Sir, Ali Rajpur is 200 kilometer far from here.
Okay, and what you have done in your studies?
Sir, I have completed BE Civil Engineering from
B Civil Engineering.
Yes.
From where?
From Indore.
From Indore. From which college have you done your engineering?
Sir, I have completed from engineering Acropolis Technical Campus in Indore.
Okay, that's good. That's good. I would like to say to all my viewers that Kamlesh is not from Khandwa. He's from Ali Rajpur, and as he has told that Ali Rajpur is 200 kilometers far from here, and he has come from Ali Rajpur to learn English in our institute. So, are you enjoying our classes?
Yes, sir. I am so much enjoying.
Okay, so could you improve yourself after joining Persona Institute?
Yes, sir. I could improve myself.
Oh, okay, that's good. There is one more student who came from UP, Uttar Pradesh. Abdul, you are from Uttar Pradesh, right?
Yes, I am
From which district you are?
Sir, my district is Muradabad.
Muradabad.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. And how far is Muradabad? Where is Muradabad in Uttar Pradesh? Because I have never visited Muradabad. That's why.
Sir, Muradabad is nearby Rampur.
Rampur.
Yes, sir, Rampur.
Rampur is the same village where we had a movie named Sholay. उसमें भी था ना रामपुर? वही रामपुर तो नहीं?
No, sir.
Okay, leave it. So, how far is your Muradabad district from Lucknow?
Sir, Muradabad Moradabad is 300 kilometers.
300 kilometer from Lucknow.
Lucknow.
Okay, that's good. So just tell us something about your why are you learning English?
Sir, because I have to prepare for civil service examination.
You have to prepare yourself for civil service examination, and that is why you are
That is
learning
why
English.
I'm learning English.
Okay, that's cool. And why especially civil service preparation you are doing? What is the reason actually?
Sir, it is my dream.
It is your dream. Okay, and what do your parents think about you?
Sir, my parents is good.
No, what they think about you? Do they also think the same that my
parents thinks good about me.
Okay, do they think the same that you should be a civil like what you can say that you should do preparation for the civil services? वो भी ऐसा ही सोचते हैं कि आपको सिविल सर्विसेज की प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, that's very good, Abdul. We wish that you will definitely improve yourself well. Okay, let's move on to the next. I'm going to ask you question in Hindi to English, and let's see how you are going to translate. Can you translate, brother, anything in
Yes, sir.
English?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं क्लास में हूँ.
I am in the class.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I am learning
मैं इंग्लिश सीख सकता
I can
हूँ.
learn
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I have to learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा था.
I was learning.
I was learning English. Okay, I was learning English कौन सा टेंस है?
सर ये past continuous है.
Past continuous tense. Okay, मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मुझे आने दो.
Let me come.
मैं आ सकता हूँ.
I can
मैं
come.
आना चाहता हूँ.
I have to come.
आना
I want
चाहता
to
हूँ.
come.
I want to come. मैं जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
मैं
go.
जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
Okay. Now recently you have done your basic. That's why some kind of silly mistakes he's making. But I know you can improve yourself very well. Let's move on to her. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. Can I ask you anything in English?
Yes, sir,
And
you
can you
can.
translate them into English?
Yes, sir, I
Really?
can. Yes.
Okay. मैं क्लास में हूँ.
I'm in the
मैं इंग्लिश
class.
सीख रही हूँ.
I'm learning
मैं इंग्लिश
English.
सीखना चाहता
I
हूँ.
want
मुझे
to
जाने
learn
दीजिए. मुझे जाने दीजिए.
Let me go.
मैं लेट हो रही हूँ.
I am getting
आप कहाँ
late.
जा रही
Where are you
हैं?
going?
सर मुझे कॉलेज जाना है.
Sir, I have to go college.
आप कॉलेज क्यों जा रही हैं?
Why are you going to college?
अभी आपको कॉलेज नहीं जाना चाहिए.
You should not go college right now.
ओके, आप क्या आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में हैं?
Are
Are you with
your friends?
क्या पायल आपकी फ्रेंड है?
Is Asta? Is Payal
ना
your friend?
इस पायल योर फ्रेंड. सर मेरा नाम पायल है, मेरी फ्रेंड का नाम आस्था है.
Yes.
इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश.
So my name is Payal. My friend's name is Asta.
आस्था कौन है?
Who is Asta?
आस्था मेरी फ्रेंड है.
Asta is my friend.
तो आप कौन है?
Who I am?
Who are you?
Who are you?
एज आई एम स्पीकिंग इन सेम वे यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट. आपको ये नहीं फील करना कि आप कौन है तो आप मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ तो हुआ मैं ऐसा. हु आर यू? सर मैं आपको 2 बार बता चुकी हूँ कि मेरा नाम पायल है और मेरी फ्रेंड का नाम आस्था है. सर मैं आपको 2 बार बता चुकी
Sir,
हूँ.
I have told you 2 times that my name is Payal and my friend's name is Asta.
ओके, फिर भी आप समझ नहीं रहे हो.
The-
स्टिल यू आर नॉट
Still you are
अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
not,
स्टिल यू आर नॉट
understanding.
गेटिंग. आपको समझना चाहिए.
You should understand.
क्या आप आपका ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुकी हो?
Have you completed your graduation?
हाँ, मैं अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर
Yes,
चुकी
I
हूँ.
have completed my graduation.
That's very good. You have answered all the question very well. Let's know how your friend Asta is answering. Asta, I'm going to ask you question in English.
Yes.
Can you answer it?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my first questions to you. When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m. in the morning.
7:30 a.m. in the morning. And when do you sleep in night?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
11 p.m. Oh, that's good. Have you completed your graduation?
No, I have not completed my graduation.
What you are doing in studies right now?
I am doing, I have chosen BA D.Ed. I am doing BA D.Ed.
BA D.Ed.
Yes.
Okay, so from where are you doing D.Ed?
I am doing from Government D.Ed College in Anand Nagar.
Okay, from D.Ed you are doing D.Ed. That's good. And why are you doing D.Ed?
Because I want to become a lecturer.
You want to be a lecturer. That is why. Okay, do you like teaching?
Yes, I like teaching.
Oh, that's good. Don't you think that teaching is very much boring because we find different sort of students? Sometimes we find very dull students and it's very tough to deal with this kind of students.
Yes, it is tough, but I can deal with students if I work
Have
hard.
capabilities to deal
Yes.
with. Okay. So, do you think you will face all sorts of problem and you will teach your students with honesty?
Yes, I can do it.
Really?
Yes.
And for that, you must have passions.
Yes, sir.
You know what?
I will work
You need to be passionate towards this. Okay, that's good. Clapping for her. She has answered very well. Let's know. Yes, please. What's your name?
Myself Shrestha Maurya.
Myself or I am
I am Shrestha Maurya.
Shrestha Mori. Okay, Shrestha, just tell me something about your name's meaning. What is the meaning of Shrestha?
Sir, it means like what work we have done, which is perfect and
Excellent.
excellent.
Okay, so can we call you excellent girl?
Yes, sir, you can call me.
Okay, so from today onwards, I will call you excellent. Okay, so Shrestha, who gave you this beautiful name?
So my aunt gave me this beautiful name.
Oh, that's cool. And is there any nickname that you have got?
Yes, sir, I have nickname.
What's your nickname?
Shanu, it's a nickname.
Shanu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, from Shrestha, the Shanu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So, at your home, do your parents call you Shrestha or Shanu? What do they call you?
So my parents call me Shanu because Shrestha is my school name.
Yeah. And your pet name is
Yes,
Shanu,
sir.
that's
Yes.
why. They're not habitual to speak Shrestha.
They are, yes, sir, they are not happy.
Even we go to your house and we say that we have Shrestha's teacher. So I think they will not recognize it.
So they will recognize my name.
Okay, okay. They know your name, that your
Yes,
name is
sir.
Shrestha, but they are not habitual to call you. Simply.
Yes, sir. They
Okay.
are not. They are not.
And what about your friends? Do they call you Shrestha, Shanu?
They are calling me Shrestha only.
Because they don't know Shanu.
They also know Shanu, but they are comfortable in Shrestha.
In Shrestha, that is why. Okay, just tell me something about your graduation. What you have done in your studies?
So I have completed my graduation by BSc Biotechnology.
Okay.
And now I am doing MSc with botany.
MSc with botany you are doing?
Yes,
From
sir.
where?
So from SN College.
From Ascent College. Okay, that's cool. And when do you go to college?
Sir, my college start at 10:30
Okay.
AM and finished at 4:30.
Okay, so do you go to college daily?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I go to college daily.
Okay, that's very good. Nice to talk with this Shrestha. You have answered very well. A good clapping for her. Let's move on to him. Yes, brother. What's your name?
Sandeep.
Sandeep. Now with us today, Sandeep is here. Sandeep, first tell me about your studies. What you have done in your studies?
I'm suddenly I complete 12
Suddenly or recently?
recently.
Recently you have done your 12th. From where?
SSVM Anand Nagar.
SSBM Anand Nagar. Is it a Hindi medium school?
Yes, it is Hindi medium school.
Okay, so tell me, you have been from Hindi medium and now you are talking English. How could it happen?
Because firstly I joined Persona Institute and
Okay.
I have complete 1 month and I promote in advance. So I improve my English in Persona.
You improved your English in Persona
Persona.
Institute and that is why today you are able to speak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now my next questions to you, brother. At what time do you come here?
10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock you come. Until when you sit here?
Uh,
Till 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Huh.
Don't you attend the batch that start from 12 o'clock to 1:30? Taken by Bhushan sir?
No, because at 12 o'clock I am go to outside of city.
You go outside of city. Where you go?
I am go the village of that village name is Gudi.
Gudi. Why do you go to Gudi after 12 o'clock?
Because then village
That village?
that village Gudi is my father is farmer, so I handle my farmer.
Okay, you handle your father's farming business and that is why you go to Gudi
Yes, sir.
after 12 o'clock. And how do you manage? What work do you do there?
It is so many work in field of farmer. So I am manage all work.
You manage all the work. Okay, Chali, that's very good, Sandeep. Nice to talk with you, dear. And I would say that Sandeep is from Hindi medium and still he's able to speak English confidently. A good clapping for him. Within a month. Okay, let's move on to you. Yes, what do you think? I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to translate them into English. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first tell me what is your name?
My name is Dipti Sen.
Dipti Sani. Okay, I'm going to ask you question in Hindi and you are going to translate them into English. मेरा नाम दीप्ति सैनी है और मैं खंडवा से हूँ.
I am Dipti Seni. My name is Dipti Seni. I from Khandwa.
मैं खंडवा में रहती हूँ.
I am live in Khandwa.
I am live in खंडवा क्या सही है?
I live in Khandwa.
I live in खंडवा. I am living in खंडवा होता है. I am living in खंडवा कौन सा टेंस है?
I live in Khandwa past simple present tense.
सिंपल प्रेजेंट है. I live in खंडवा and I am living in खंडवा कौन सा टेंस है?
Present continuous.
Present continuous. Dipti, you need to work on tense little bit because you are being confused. Okay, मुझे बोलना चाहिए.
I should speak.
मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
I have to speak.
मैं बोल रही हूँ.
I am speaking.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मेरे पास समय है.
I have time.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख सकता हूँ.
I can
लर्न
learn
इंग्लिश.
English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn
मैं
English.
वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
मैं वहाँ
go there.
गया. मैं यहाँ आया.
I came.
I came here. Kritika, this is your turn. Nice attempt. मुझे बोलने दीजिए,
Let me speak.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ।
I want to learning
आप
English.
इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे हो?
Why are you learning
अब
English?
आप क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you go
क्या
there?
आप तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
क्या आप बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready speak?
टू स्पीक,
To
क्या आप
speak.
पढ़ाई करने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to study?
क्या पढ़ाई करते हो?
Are you study?
डू यू स्टडी?
Study.
क्या मुझे पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए?
Should I study?
क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए?
Should I go there?
क्या मुझे आना चाहिए?
Should I come
क्या मैं
here?
आ सकता हूँ?
Can I come here?
What I'm telling you need to work on your listening especially, right? Anyway, it was nice clapping, Gora.